This is TutorPat, buzzing with excitement and a little caffeine from some gas station coffee. My mistake. But mostly total natural enthusiasm and excitement for grammar. That's right. Welcome to the Grammar Mighty class by Mighty Prep. We're going to be talking punctuation, we're going to be talking syntax, we're going to be talking parts of speech, and by the end of this three-part comprehensive seminar, you will know why run-on sentences probably aren't what you thought they were, which punctuation has a seriously split personality, the difference between who and whom, courtesy of a U.S. president, and the telltale sign, the absolute giveaway you've been lied to about grammar your entire life. Most importantly, you will know the grammar concepts both the SAT and ACT consider absolutely critical. So if you are shooting for a seriously high score, an elite level score, a perfect 36, a beautiful 800, you need to pay serious attention to this seminar. Couple quick notes before we begin. First, this class focuses on grammar as the SAT and ACT understand it. So it might be different from the grammar you've learned in school or the rules you've read in style guides like Dryer's English or Eat, Shoots, and Leaves. I've also taken the liberty of streamlining terms and concepts somewhat so you can grasp the most essential tested info quickly and surely. Also, at Mighty Prep, no matter the subject, we spend a lot of time trying to find the most effective way to study it. So if you want to internalize, that is, not just memorize, but also understand these concepts quickly, download the illustrated digital guide that accompanies this Mighty class, print it out, and fill it in with me as we proceed through the lecture. Engaging with the material from the start will cut down on review time later on. It will also allow you to note any questions in the moment instead of having them float right out of your brain only to return with a vengeance when you're in the middle of a practice test, or worse, the real thing. Like in the SAT and ACT, order matters here. So try to avoid mixing up the sections or skipping one outright. This seminar has been organized so that one concept builds on another in a meaningful way. The goal is not to mindlessly recite a bunch of unrelated arbitrary rules. Instead, I want to give you a coherent 30,000-foot view, the big picture of what grammar is and how the SAT and ACT understand it. As always, for more information and personal one-on-one help, hit up mightypreptutor.com. We are regularly adding relevant, helpful content and are always looking forward to meeting new students. All right, let's begin.